Well, hello, and welcome back to another video. Well, today I am making teriyaki salmon, and I am using fresh salmon. Now, you can use frozen if that's what you have available, or you can absolutely use a different fish if you want to, swordfish, codfish, whatever you have available. Now, this is my slab of salmon, and I am going to go in and add just a little bit of oil and add whatever seasonings you have available or to your own liking. For me, I just added salt, pepper, uh, complete seasoning, garlic herb, and paprika. Now, once you have completely seasoned your salmon to your liking, then you can go in and cut your salmon up to whatever pieces of your own liking. For me, I did about 6 slices that I will be using in my cast iron skillet. Now, you can also cut your pieces into cubes. However, I decided just to use 2 cast iron skillets to cook my fresh salmon in. So as you can see, this is what it turned out to be after I cut my slices. Now, I am using my cast iron skillet, and God bless her soul, this is my grandmother's cast iron skillet. She was born in the 1930s, and I have held on to this, especially this one that we see here, for a long time. It is one of the best cast iron skillets, and trust me, they do not make them like this anymore. But to get back to scheduled program, I am adding 2 little tablespoons of butter. If you are making a little bit more in for its quantity sizes for your salmon, you can add a little bit more butter, and it doesn't hurt. So in this process, you want to make sure the butter is fully melted, and you want to keep an eye on it because you do not want it to burn during this process. Now, once it is completely melted, you can go in and add some honey. And after I added my honey, you can go in and add some teriyaki sauce. Now, you will see me repeat this step 2 times because, like I stated, I am using 2 cast iron skillets. So I'm not going to do much talking, but you'll be able to see that I'm just repeating the process because I want both of the cast iron skillets to go into the oven at the same time. So again, during this process, you want to make sure that nothing burns. And after it is completely nice and coated and bubbly the way it looks there, you want to go get your salmon pieces, and if you have them sliced like me, you are going to go flesh down, and then you're going to flip it over on the skin side. Now, if you don't have any skin on yours, that's totally fine, but for me, I had skin, so mine is flesh down first on the mixture, on the coating, and then on the skin is down on the skillet. So just repeat this process, and you're going to leave it on the stove for, I would say, no more than 2 minutes because it will go in the oven on broil for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm just jumping back in. Your mind is not playing tricks on you. It's not another clip. It's just me using another cast iron skillet to place the other 3 remainder salmon pieces in the skillet before it goes into the oven. And also remember, I'm using my hand, using the flesh down of the fish and then flipping it over. You can use a fork if you are afraid that, it'll pop on you or anything like that. I'm kind of used to it. So it didn't bother me at all. But yeah, and just make sure you just get a spoon to make sure each piece of the fish is completely coated before you add it in the salmon. So you're going to complete this whole entire process while the stove is on medium. And again, like I said, you're only going to leave it on top of the stove for 2 minutes. And as you can see, the other one, it has completely chilled and it's no longer on the stove anymore. So now it's ready to go into the oven, and it's going to go in the oven 7 to 10 minutes on broil. Now this is me taking the fish out of the oven, and it looks delicious. It tastes delicious, you guys. When I got into it, my whole family bit into it, everything was good. But you're going to go ahead and top it off with some butter. I also, while it was in the oven, I did chop up a few pieces of parsley, and I am going to also place parsley on both pans, both skillets. You can't see the other one on the other side, but I'm also doing the same thing I'm doing to this one, I'm doing to the other one. But you guys, let me know if you try this at home or if you try it with a different style type of fish. Let me know. But this is it. It came out absolutely great. And I just thank you guys for rocking with me, for all the love and support. I'll try to be more consistent. I am trying. But this is it, you guys. It is nice and bubbly. But I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you have a blessed day.